Hi there, join me in this video as I unbox 3 mechanic brand high precision tweezers. These are the G-11, G-15 and G-17 tweezers and show you what they look like. So these are 3 of the G series tweezers from the mechanic brand G-11, G-15, G-17. G-11 is a straight tweezer, G-15 has an angle, and G-17 has the right angle flat edge on both sides. Unpack the G-11 first. The features of the G-11 tweezer: stainless steel material, anti-corrosion, and acid and alkali resistance. It has an extra hard pointed tip. Says that it is hard without deformation. It is hand polished, good for precise clamping, and has a good hand feeling. Described as used for precision parts disassembly and maintenance, extraction of wafer circuit pieces, bird's nest picking, precision operation in narrow space. Well, I guess I have to destroy the nice packaging it came in. Here we are. The G-11 tweezer looks really well made. And the pointed tip, I must say, is very sharp. Look at the very sharp tip, and it closes very nicely. I'll put the plastic cap over it to protect the tip. Next tweezer, the mechanic G-15 with the curved angle tip. Here we are, the G-15 tweezer with the curved tip. It's also a very sharp pointed tip. And it closes very nicely. There's no slop. Another very nice pair of tweezers. Lastly, the G-17 tweezer. It says that it enables easy clamping of a motherboard. It is non-magnetic, made of stainless steel. It says it's made from imported stainless steel material. It says that holding this tweezer long does not tire the hand. This picture shows the tweezer being used to grip the 2 sides of a printed circuit board. And the description says it is motherboard-dedicated. What a luxurious packaging for one single tweezer. You can see the right angle square edge on both sides of the tweezer tip. Another nicely made tweezer. I have the G-11 here with a small set of computer parts screws. This is my RELIFE RL-001G multifunctional maintenance storage container. I have here the mechanic Motor SE 6-piece screwdriver kit. And now I can store these 3 tweezers in the container here. Or if I like, I can store it like this, but I don't like that because I want to keep the tips protected, so I prefer them stored like this. I do hope you found this video interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.